Let's go on a date, but first we're going to transform our daytime makeup to nighttime makeup. I'm going to take a neutral brown eyeshadow and I'm going to dust that along my crease. This is adding a little more dimension to my eye, defining my crease, opening up my eye. You don't need a lot, just a little bit to warm up the eye. Again, on the other eye, I'm just using some circular motions to just blend that product into my crease. I'm going to use this bone shade and I'm going to apply this to my brow bone just for a little bit of highlight along my brow bone. Because this is date night and we're having some fun, I'm going to use this really beautiful shimmer shade. I'm just patting that product on the center of my lid. I really want this pigment to show, so I'm pressing that product into my lid and just patting it to move it around. I'm going to apply a little bit of this right along my lower lash line. I'm going to go back in with that neutral brown again and just blend into the pigment on my lid just to make sure that everything flows really well together. Just keep working with that until you feel it's blended enough. You can never do too much blending. I'm going to do a little bit of highlighting in my inner corner with this bright shimmer shade here. Just pat that into your inner corner. I'm going to take the darkest brown in this palette. I'm going to use this to line my eyes. Just take an angled eyeliner brush. You could leave it at that. Just do the littlest wing to elevate this look. I am going to smudge this down a little bit just because that's my preferred look for eyeliner. So first I'm going to apply it to the other eye. And I like to brush it on with little strokes. And I will press it directly into my lash line. I'm going to take this brown and I'm going to apply it just on the outer end of my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take my pencil brush. I'm just going to smudge out that liner on my top lid. I'm going to do this a little bit on the lower lid as well. I want a lot of shimmer with this look. I'm going to take this copper shade and just apply this to the center of my lid. Just patting that right in the center of my lid. How fun is that? You can blend into that with the rose shade. All right, now I'm going to touch up my mascara just a little bit. I'm using this e.l.f. brow pencil just to fill in some areas of my eyebrows that are a little more sparse. Just doing some little strokes just so that it looks really natural. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of blush. I'm using Flawless from Jane Iredale. This is just a neutral blush. I'm just picking up some of that product on my brush. I'm actually going to apply it all the way up here around my temple. This is going to give a little lift to my face when I do a little on my nose. I'm going to take some of this eyeshadow and I'm going to use it for a little bit of highlighting. You can see how pretty that is. I'm going to tap that along my cheekbone, the top of my cheekbone, and apply that to the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and my cupid's bow. You can go in with a clean powder brush and just buff that out, kind of blend it together. I'm going with Rose Envy, which is one of the e.l.f. lip oils. And this is just giving a really hydrated lip look with just a little bit of pigment. I love these big doe foot applicators on these lip oils. It's like a whole experience for your lips. It's like getting a little lip massage. And that is it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss a video from me. I'll see you next time.